Hey guys, I just got something from the Apple Store. As you can see, here we go. I got the newest iPod Touch and I have it in 32 gig. Right now I'm still at the mall, just can't wait to open it up at home. So here we go. This is a 32 gig iPod Touch, 4th generation, and it's very nice. Of course, the packaging as well is very awesome. So let's go ahead and unbox this. As always, Apple has the sticker right here that you can just peel off. So there you go. And let's open it up. This is my very first iPod Touch, and this is my second iPod. My first one was the iPod Nano 5th Gen in red, special edition red. So of course, this is the iPod Touch. On the screen here is the sticker. Designed by Apple in California. Check out the insides. We got fingertips. I may have to read this because again, this is my very first iPod Touch, and some I don't know, instructions maybe. Inside, of course, we have the USB cable and the earphones. Just close that. Let's check out the iPod. So here it is, the very first iPod Touch. It says there's an arrow right here that says peel it off. So let's go ahead and peel it off. Okay, it opens, the plastic opens right here. Oh, just pull this. This is obviously fingerprint magnet. I wish they had it in aluminum and black Apple logo right here. That would be really cool. But I think that's gonna be the iPod Touch 6th generation. Of course, the camera is at the back, and camera on the front. Here we are peeling off the sticker. I'm gonna keep this. There we go. The iPod Touch. Very shiny. I don't think I'm gonna be using this very much because there's no case yet. I think this is just gonna sit in my room as of yet. I'm just inspecting it a little bit. I think I'm seeing a scratch right here. Oh my god, no way. Volume buttons right here. Power button. Nothing on this side. Earphones and for the USB. Let's turn it on, guys. There's the Apple logo. This is really, really thin. Of course, it's going to ask me to connect to iTunes. iTunes, so I'll get back to you.